Controls used in entities. Now we're going to talk about checkbox, which is right here. So checkbox allows users to make different selections, and you can basically double click on this icon or drag into the attribute section, which I would do like this. I'll just double click it like this. And after the checkbox has been selected as an attribute, you'll need to define the property of the attribute selected by just clicking on it, and on the right side you get the properties box, consisting of different values. So I'd like to refer to an existing checkbox to make things easier. Let me just do this. Right, so complete here. Now there are different values for properties you need to enter here. Now on the name section, enter the name to define the field. Now again, this is not what is displayed as the text box, or this is not what is displayed for the radio button as the name, but just defines the field. So the text should be entered without any spaces. If there are more than one word in the name, the starting letter of the second word should always be a capital letter or an uppercase letter. Now caption. Caption basically is the text entered. The text entered in the caption section is displayed as the name of the field. If no text is entered in the section, it will show the name. It will show the text actually entered in the name section, which can be edited. So here I've written complete. So this is the complete. This checkbox is named complete. Now we've got the default section, which is right here. The default section is to define whether the item should be checked or unchecked by default. So if you leave it checked like this, then the default box, the complete box will just be checked. Okay, it'll just remain checked. You can uncheck it, however you like. And the last one is the required field. So the required field defines if the field is required or a mandatory field. Simply click on the checkbox to set as required, and this will be a required field where users will have to basically check or uncheck or give some, have some action for this checkbox.